Hello everyone, we are here to discuss the problem on pigeonhole principle. Firstly, we define the pigeonhole principle of generalization form. If n pigeons are placed in m holes where n is greater than m, then there exists at least one hole with greater than equal to floor function of n minus 1 upon m plus 1 pigeons will occupy the same hole. Let us take one example to understand this definition. If I have 5 pigeons and 4 holes, since 5 is greater than 4, then holes we have 4 holes. In each holes we can put one pigeon. Then this here one pigeon is left. I put here. So automatically we can apply here. Automatically here the pigeonhole principle will apply. So here n pigeons and m holes, so we can take n pigeons and m holes. N is greater than m and the number of pigeons is equal to mk plus 1. We can take m boxes in which I can put value of k up to m. This is mk value, and still our 1 is remaining, so we can put here plus 1, so we can satisfy that mk plus 1. This satisfy that mk plus 1 is proved. So n is equal to mk plus 1. This one is shifted here. N minus 1 is equal to mk. N minus 1, this m comes down. N minus 1 upon m is equal to k. So this is our value of k. But to find the generalization problems, we can to find k plus 1 value. So this is the value of k, but we have to find k plus 1. So floor function of n minus 1 upon m plus 1, this is the value of k plus 1. Floor functions means, floor is basically means least integer value. So we can take example. Floor function of 2.6 is equal to 2, and another floor function of 2.8 is equal to 2. Basically here least integer value is 2, and here also 2. So therefore here floor function value is 2. So the reason behind floor function is because pigeons values are given in whole numbers. Therefore we can take floor function. So this proved our formula, that is floor function of n minus 1 upon m plus 1. This we can use in our problems to find the answers. Let us take our problem. Find the minimum number of cards from a deck of 52 cards to be dealt to guarantee that 3 cards are of the same suit. Here the problems given that 50 from the deck of 52 cards, how much cards were obtained to find to get 3 cards are of the same sign. So we can basically find how much card to find that at least 3 cards to find that at least 3 cards are of the same suit. This is of 4 types of suits, 1 2 3 4. Let solve examples. Let n be the cards and m be the suits. Basically m is equal to 4. So let we have 4 suits, S1, S2, S3, S4. We can use that floor function formula of generalization, pigeonhole principle formula of generalization. N minus 1 upon m plus 1 is equal to 3. 3 we have taken this. So n minus 1 upon m, this one goes here. 3 minus 1, 2. N minus 1, m values is n minus 1, m values is 4. So we have taken here 4 is equal to 2. N minus 1, this 4 goes here. This 2 into 4 is equal to a. So our n values comes to 9. This is our answer. This automatically states that from the cards of from the deck from that 9 cards, that 9 cards, we find 3 cards are of the same suit. That here let's take 1 here to return 1 1 1 1 1 1. So here, so we can take separate formula. So S1 S2 S3 S4. This 9 1 1 1 1 4 remaining, still remain 5. So plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, still 1 remaining. So we can put here that automatically find that 3 cards are of the same side. So how our problem here put that from the 9 cards we can find that 3 cards are of the same suit. Thank you.